Yo, despite the circumstances, I still feel the same. I thought I was cool, but I still feel the rain coming down on me every minute to the hour. I'm crushed to the ground like the Twin Towers. I must move on, cause I'm not fit to be your friend. You have feelings, I don't fit you. And you think that I'd be stronger, you think that I would learn. I thought I had a girl, but instead I got burned. I'm not the same, damn I'm concerned. I've been altered like straight hair that's been permed. I swear I truly cared, and I was being patient. Too deep in my emotions, I suffered the ramifications. Never thought that you would leave, this is not what I predicted. I hate what you do, but still I say I'm contradicted. I can't stay straight, I'm like a rope that's been tangled. Go send me a savior, being hurt by my angel.